Okay, so I am like 30 miles from Wickenburg right now. I've been coming down for a while, but just got to this place and it's amazing. I mean, I don't know if the camera is gonna capture this, but I can see mountains as far as my eyes can see. I know I've been moving it really fast, so I have to change the card, and I checked that I have been moving the camera really fast, but this is by far the best view I had. This is unbelievable. I wish I could stay here until the sun comes down, because it is amazing. It is really steep in here too. I guess you could go down a little bit more, but I think that's where the trail ends, and then there's the nothingness. And I don't want to be in the nothingness, so I'm gonna start walking this way and see if I can show you stuff. This is out of this world. I mean, out of this world. This beauty in the state is to die for. It's unbelievably unreal. I don't even know what to say anymore. It's just too good to be true. It really is. I'm gonna try to make it closer, although I noticed that when I do, the image gets distorted, but I wish you can see the mountains in the back. The sun might block them, but this is it. Ow. And there's the rocks, which, if you can see how tall the car is, and this is, I mean, they're huge. Huge.